Hi guys, it's Neil. I am leaving for the holidays tomorrow, so I created this video to try and get in touch with you guys. So the course is created. ENG 210 is created. I have all the weeks, all the assignments. There's one issue to talk through, and I'm hoping Lee or Holly, you guys can come up with a solution for that. But I'm going to send you this document, and what it has is it's called the whole package. It has Dream Library project. That's a new project that we're doing. Actually, it's one that we've done in the past, and students loved it and have done really well with it. So that outlines that, and I created a video for students as well. And then the weeks, I outline each week the objectives or the module MLOs, the readings, and the assignments, discussions, um, and assignments. And so we have that also. Shoot, now I'll try and go back here. Sorry about that, I had to pause it. And then also we have an overview of the course, and I'll read this to you guys. So how I set it up was um, there's the Dream Library, which that's a valuable exercise students can take with them actually into the field when they graduate. Um, and then the read aloud strategies, which again, I was very confined. This was a challenge because some of these, I don't necessarily agree with the textbooks that were used for this course, but I had to use them because they're in the bookstore, et cetera, et cetera. So I did it the best I could to make it useful for teachers to read aloud to students. And then the House on Mango Street. My take on it was that book was selected to introduce students, to challenge their assumptions, to try and identify personal biases, and then eventually model that type of thinking and critical thinking with their students. So again, I don't think it's a great fit, but I made it fit. Um, and I give that overview. But the one thing that we have to think about is for the project. Let me go back for the project. The Dream Library project, one component, and I provided an overview and a video of that whole thing. But one component of it is the they for weeks 2 through 8, the students write a blog post. I know that D2L does not have blogs, so it could be a separate discussion. That's what you guys need to think through what you want as far as that. But anyway, so here's the prompt for them to answer these questions in their weekly blog or whatever we decide it's going to be, and it's for weeks 2 through 8. And I was started to get concerned. One of the issues with the course was that it was just too long, too much, right? Started to get concerned with, okay, maybe I did that, but I tried to construct the discussion questions in a way. I called them discussion questions, but some weeks they're surveys, some weeks they're quizzes. It's just to get prompt more critical thinking, and then the instructor, in this case Lee, you're going to have to take their survey responses, for instance, and then try to generate more discussions based on what they tell you, and think of questions that you can ask. And I think you'll see that as you go through the course. But anyways, this was I tried my best to get this done. It was a challenge. I actually tried to do it through D2L, but I found I got hung up with the technical aspect of it. And as you know, this was critical that we get this done. So let me know what you need. Thanks.